Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete text box in Excel worksheet. So friends, if you want to delete any text box, so just select it and make sure don't click any text in between or inside this text box. Just select this border. So you will see not cursor in here. Now press delete key on keyboard. That's it. And friends, if you click anywhere and you press delete key, so it will be not delete and not remove this text box. So simple method, just press double click on this border, so you will see not cursor inside this text box. Now press delete key. So that's all. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.